what? We're
Let's
gonna
open some boxes.
open up. These guys got me all new front end, and I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like. Had to send most of it back, or some of it back. It's pretty typical since it's a car we're working on. And they sent stuff for a pickup truck, so there you go.
What do we got?
I don't know what this is. Might be the cross member itself.
Chris, do you want it here? Let's put it up on here, Dad.
Oh, you do that. That's why you're here. Just kidding. Okay, here we go. Oh, packing list. Won't want to mess that up.
In case they're trying anything funny.
Well, the case has to go back again,
Oh, yeah.
which is not unheard of. It's like a Heidts part, or maybe not. Oh yeah, it's Heidts all right.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing but the best here. Look at that. Right, left.
Look at
Bless
that.
their hearts. They're marked.
That's good looking parts right there.
Yeah.
Jeez. Look at that.
So this is going to go, like I said, on my 50 Fleetline,
Here's your
which is
crossmember.
right now got an absolute stock front end on it. And the car is going to drop down. What is this, like a 3-inch drop or 2-inch drop?
5 inches.
Oh, foolish
Look at
me.
that.
Yeah, it's got a 5-inch drop. So we'll be getting down in the weeds here with this.
Right where it belongs.
Right where it belongs, yeah. And so let's see, we got spindles and brakes and everything. So what this is going to accomplish, not only is it got the original front end, which includes everything, the original stance, original shit-ass braking, original less than adequate steering, and less than adequate suspension.
Mm-hmm.
All this at once is going to fix all that, plus make it look really cool. So it's going to really, actually need more tools here, it looks like. Screwdriver.
Yeah. What's in there, Nick? Should we take all the stuff out of all the boxes?
Yeah, that's a question. You
Just
don't-
take all the parts and pieces and then
Lay them out.
lay them out? No.
For this.
Well, you know, if you got, you're just going to clutter up your shop. you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, you take it out, I might put it in this food line.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. Start coming out here and saying, wow, look how cool this is. I want me one of them.
Yeah. You'd be like, hey, wait a minute. I don't remember you having a Heidts suspension on that.
Is
Fleetline
this
thing.
similar to what you're putting on that or no?
This already has a Monte Carlo front clip,
Oh, that's
so
right.
yours will be a better setup,
better.
just because it's Mustang 2 with like, you know,
Better
better
engineering.
geometry and
Yeah,
stuff.
right. What did I put in mine?
Right here.
My rear end setup's gonna be better than yours.
What?
Your what?
My rear setup that I have back there is gonna be better though.
What are you putting?
That
On mine,
yours is just lowering blocks. on
no,
leaf
no,
springs.
it's not. It's not just lowering blocks. I put a Nova rear end that with a,
No, but I mean,
with a
leaf-
TCI.
Yours is leaf springs. Mine's a rearticulated
yeah.
geometry, but yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that is true. But it's 2-inch. It's a 2-inch dropped axle or
Drop
springs, and then
Lowering
with
blocks on
lowering
top.
blocks on that. So it'd probably be about a 3
Oh.
to 4-inch drop. Oh yeah, look here. Let's get a close up of this. Nice.
Oh,
Boy, they're
heavy.
heavier than hell. Don't drop that on your toe
I won't.
and mess it up. I don't mean your toe. I mean the part.
See
Yeah,
that
look at
disc?
that.
Oh yeah.
Grab that bearing right there,
That's
Dad.
American metal right there,
And
isn't
there's
it?
a clip too underneath there.
Yes.
And there's a pin under there too.
Oh, yes. Stuff we're probably
Good.
gonna need. Yeah, look at
Jeez.
that. That's beefy.
That's super beefy. Is that a 2-pot?
Yep.
Yep.
Wow, look at that.
That's a good looking Let's put her down
So,
right here.
are we taking all these parts out of here right now?
No, just put them back in the boxes. once
Yeah,
they're
that's what I was thinking,
Okay.
because this kind of stuff is little and it's prone to be lost.
There you go.
prone to be installed on my car.
So that's another one of
Yeah,
them.
same one. Yep.
Okay. What are these? Does this go with this, or is this?
Yeah, that's yours. You've already opened those, but let's look at them again.
Yeah, let's. I forget what it was.
Candy.
Ah,
Oh, yeah.
A-arms.
Tubular.
Tubular. It's so tubular, man.
That's the piece you're asking about, probably, right? The piece is. Oh no.
No,
It's the same.
that's just the same. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the other.
Show
A-arm.
me what you got here.
These are tubular A-arms for the. Look at that.
Upper control arms.
Yeah. Upper control arms. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so nice. Powder coated.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Here's a question. When I get ready to put all these new brakes and stuff on here, you know, will I probably, there has to be a new master cylinder and everything, right?
You're gonna want to do. Are you doing disc up front and drum in the back yet, or just
Yeah,
all the way
yeah,
around?
drums are
So
brand new.
you'll
and
need a dual chamber.
yeah, so
and a
the
proportion
one that's
valve.
under the floorboard now, the existing master cylinder, I'll just abandon that, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
And
You'll
then
probably
the
wanna
new
do
one that
is-
goes up under the hood, or where, well, actually,
Yeah.
it'd be better if I could put, do they make them so they'll go under the floorboards also?
Yeah, you can do a floorboard one.
I'd
and
rather
leave it where
do
it
that
is.
than put it under
Yeah,
the
Keep
hood.
it clean.
You could just do a
Yeah.
conversion to leave a dual. You could put a dual under the floorboard and not have to change the brake and stuff.
Right,
Yep.
yeah, here we go, there's that lower control arms.
Yeah, that's good looking stuff.
Yeah.
Let's pull that
It
guy
is.
out of here real quick.
Is this POL stuff here, yeah?
Yeah, it
This
came
is-
from POF.
Yeah, that's the same people that got the control arms upper and lower and springs for my Impala, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
POL. Yeah,
Good stuff.
hopefully these springs are the right springs. They got a,
Yeah.
they're a little bit notorious for their springs.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
That's it. That's all the front, right?
So that is
then-
something I'm gonna need to chase down.
Is that a power rack, Dad?
Yeah.
Power rack and pinion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Power rack and pinion.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
this is gonna be trick, let me tell you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, the brake components, as far as the plumbing and stuff, I am gonna have to get, including the master cylinder that goes, the kind that goes under, can be put under there. So there's a little bit of fabrication under
Yeah,
there.
I think maybe it came with this kit. Maybe they still have to come. I don't know.
Not sure. We have to double check.
Nice big beefy springs,
Yeah, 2-inch drop springs.
2-inch, yeah,
Yeah, so it's 5 inches total drop in the front.
yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna change the attitude of that car altogether.
It'll feel just like this.
Mm-hmm,
Nice and low.
yeah, it is,
Yeah. What's under here? Oh, that's a speaker.
yeah.
Cool.
Well, let me put it on camera. Thank you guys so much. It's an awesome birthday gift,
Yeah,
I'll
dude.
tell you. Really awesome.
Gonna be sick. What's all this stuff over here, Nick? Your parts?
Yeah. Should we wrap the video up?
Yeah. Wrap it up.
Okay, give me some kind of.
Give us 1 week, and this will be on the car, huh, Dad?
We'll keep you, yeah, we'll keep you posted on how this goes. But when it's all done, we'll shoot a video of me driving around all cool.
Okay, and.